Closing more deals without constantly switching between different apps, that's exactly the kind of productivity boost many businesses are chasing today. And we've found that Monday CRM promises to make that possible by combining customer relationship management with project management in one highly customizable platform. But can it really simplify your workflow, or will all those customization options become overwhelming? In this video, we'll show whether Monday CRM deserves a place as the best CRM and project management software in 2026. So let's get started. Let's start with contact management. Honestly, Monday CRM does a pretty solid job here. Even on the basic plan, you can add contacts manually or import them in bulk, which makes getting started pretty easy. Every contact keeps all the important details together, like personal info, connected accounts, deals, emails, files, and recent updates. And you can also create separate contact lists for different teams or clients and switch between views like table, Kanban, Gantt, or charts depending on what works best for you. You can even create activities, assign them to teammates, set deadlines, and link them to contacts or deals. That's useful, but these features aren't included in the basic plan. So yeah, it works, but you'll still have to manage your follow-ups yourself. Now that all of our contacts and activities were in one place, the next thing we naturally explored was the deals board. And honestly, this is where Monday CRM started to feel like a proper sales hub. We could either add new deals manually or import them from spreadsheets and other CRM tools, which made switching over pretty painless. What we liked most was how customizable everything was. We changed deal stages, renamed them to match our workflow, and even adjusted the colors so it was easier to scan the board at a glance. Every deal also stayed connected to the right contact and company, so we never had to jump between different pages looking for information. Clicking on any deal opened a detailed overview where we could check its current stage, review important details, manage tasks, schedule meetings, add notes, collaborate with teammates, and even draft quotes when it was time to negotiate. Basically, everything related to that deal lived in one place, which made staying organized feel much less like a chore and more like a natural part of the sales process. And once we had a few deals added, the pipeline view quickly became our go-to way of tracking everything. Instead of looking through rows of data, we could see every deal laid out as visual cards, which honestly made the whole sales process much easier to follow. Moving a deal from one stage to the next was as simple as dragging and dropping it into the next column. We also liked that we could customize each card to show only the information we actually cared about, so the view never felt cluttered. On top of that, the built-in forecast gave us a bird's-eye view of the entire sales pipeline. We could see how the current month's deals were shaping up, compare our progress against yearly goals, and even check team performance through the leaderboard. So instead of guessing where things stood, we always had a clear picture of what was moving forward, what needed attention, and where we should focus next. For growing sales teams, that's a pretty useful advantage to have. Now, speaking of saving time, this is where Monday CRM's AI features really stood out. Instead of handling repetitive tasks ourselves, we found that AI could take care of a surprising amount of the busy work. For example, when writing emails, we simply described what we wanted to say, and within seconds, it generated a polished draft that we could send right away or save as a reusable template. Before customer calls, AI also created quick timeline summaries by pulling together previous emails, meetings, notes, and conversations, so we didn't have to dig through old records for context. We also liked how AI worked directly inside the CRM boards. It could automatically assign leads based on rules like region, suggest discovery questions from lead form responses, detect sentiment, translate text, and even extract information from business cards. One feature we found especially useful was the AI note taker, which recorded meetings with permission, created searchable transcripts, summarized key discussions, and suggested next steps automatically. And if you want even more automation, the AI sales agent can contact leads through calls or texts, log every interaction, and keep outreach running around the clock. And of course, all of those AI features become even more useful once you start combining them with automations and integrations. We found that Monday CRM makes it pretty easy to automate repetitive tasks that normally eat up your day. For example, sales reps can automatically receive a notification whenever a lead opens one of your emails, so following up feels much more timely. The nice part is you're not limited to the built-in automations. You can create your own workflows based on different triggers and conditions depending on how your team works. When it comes to integrations, Monday CRM also plays nicely with tools many businesses already use. During our testing, we liked integrations like Twilio for making calls directly from the CRM and Zoom for attaching meeting recordings straight into the emails and activities section. That means all your conversations, recordings, follow-ups, and customer history all stay connected in one place. So instead of constantly switching between apps, most of your sales workflow can stay inside Monday CRM, which definitely helps keep everything organized. So, is it the best CRM and project management software in 2026? Well, after using Monday CRM, we can say yes, it does a great job of bringing sales, customer management, project tracking, and AI-powered automation into one easy-to-use platform. The interface is clean, it's simple to customize, and most daily tasks can be handled without much of a learning curve. Sure, some of the more advanced AI tools require higher tier plans, but for most businesses, that's not a deal breaker. If you want a modern CRM that genuinely saves time and keeps your team organized, we'd definitely recommend Monday CRM. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next review.